How about a mutual fund that invests in the top quality stocks from the Nifty 500 universe? Presenting the Nippon India Nifty 500 Quality 50 Index Fund that invests in 50 financially healthy companies based on their quality attributes. The fund philosophy focuses on building a portfolio from companies with strong fundamentals chosen for their profitability, low leverage and earnings stability. The fund is suitable for investors prioritizing quality investing by selecting stocks based on their return on equity, debt to equity ratio and consistent EPS growth. Spread across market caps, it follows a rule-based approach with no human bias and comes with a low expense ratio along with SIP options for ease of investment. Are you ready to let quality shape your portfolio? Invest in Nippon India Nifty 500 Quality 50 Index Fund. NFO period April 16th to April 30th, 2025. Mutual funds are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.